I am Vikash Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss an important AI tool. This AI tool is very useful for improving spoken English. The best feature of this AI tool is that it is free of cost. You can talk with an AI teacher by using this AI tool. Let's see how to use it. First of all, you open ChatGPT application on your mobile phone or laptop. Then click on voice option and start talking. Good morning, I am Vikash Kumar.
Good morning, Vikash. Great to meet you. How are you doing today?
I am very nice. I hope
I'm
that you are also very nice. I am talking with you about improving my English.
absolutely. I'd be really happy to help with that. What kind of practice are you looking for? Conversation, pronunciation, maybe grammar tips?
Yeah, I was poor in English, but through practice, I have improved my English. I think practice is key. Through practice, any student can improve their English.
You're absolutely right. Practice is such a powerful tool. And you're already doing great. Your confidence is improving, and that's really important. If you'd like, we can do some speaking exercises or even have a casual chat to keep building your skills.
I think every student who want to improve their English and can talk with AI teacher and improve their English because AI teacher is really helpful for each student who want to improve their English. So AI teacher is very helpful.
Yeah, I completely agree. AI can give you so much flexibility. You can practice anytime, get immediate feedback, and focus on exactly what you need. So if you ever have specific things you want to work on, just let me know and we can focus on those.
I should practice minimum 20 minutes per day. Through regular practice, I can improve my English.
That's a fantastic plan. Consistency really is key. If you can set aside those 20 minutes each day, whether it's speaking, listening, or even reading, you'll keep building momentum. And if you ever want to switch up your practice or try something new, just let me know.
Yeah, I think to improve my English, it is necessary to speaking, reading, writing, pronunciation. It is necessary to improve my English.
That's a really good approach. And yes, speaking is often the most important because it builds your confidence and fluency. So we can keep having these conversations. And if you want, I can also give you feedback on your pronunciation or grammar as we go.
Yeah, you are very helpful for each student. And as a teacher, you guide each student who want to improve their English. So you are very helpful for each student who want to improve their English.
Thank you so much. I'm really glad I can help. And honestly, you're doing really well. Just keep practicing. And if you ever feel unsure or want to try something specific, I'm right here to guide you.
Yeah, I am going to talking with you at the topic of communication skill.
That sounds great. Communication skills are so important. What aspect of communication would you like to focus on, like public speaking, active listening, or something else?
Yeah, public speaking skill and active listening both are very necessary to become a good communicator. I think any person who can easily become a good communicator if they have public speaking skill. Without public speaking skill, never any person become a good communicator. So public speaking skill is very necessary to become a good communicator.
Absolutely. I couldn't agree more. Public speaking really gives you that confidence to express yourself clearly in front of others. And when paired with active listening, you can engage people so much better. If you'd like, we can do a bit of practice on both, like maybe a short speech or even some exercises on how to listen actively and respond thoughtfully. What do you think?
Yeah, I think active listener who can become a good communicator.
Active listening really shows respect for the other person and helps you respond in a meaningful way. When you listen carefully, you pick up on not just the words, but also the emotions and intentions behind them. And that makes your communication much richer. So I'm glad you're focusing on that.
Through this process, you can surely improve your English. If you practice for at least 20 minutes per day, you can confidently speak. You can confidently speak English within next 2 months. This AI tool is very helpful because in initial my English was very poor, but using this AI tool, I have improved my English. Keep practice regularly. Thank you for watching my video. Take care. Bye bye.